Want captions like these that highlight each word as it is being spoken. The kind of captions you see in viral shorts, reels, and videos. Let's get started. First, open 11 Labs. I've added the link in the description. One great thing about this tool is that it gives you 10,000 free credits every month. That's enough to create roughly 10 minutes of captioned videos for free. Once you're inside 11 Labs, click on Studio from the left sidebar. Inside Studio, you'll find different AI tools. To create captions, click on Add Caption tool. Now it's time to upload your video. Click on Upload, select your video, and click Open. Then click Next. Now you will see multiple caption styles. This is where you can choose how your captions will look. Browse through the available options and select the style you like. Some styles are simple and clean, while others include animated word highlighting like you see in many viral videos. Once you have selected a style, click Create Project. Your project will now be added to the project section. The AI will start processing your video and generating captions automatically. Wait for the generation to finish. Once it is ready, open the generated video. Now click on the export button at the top. 11 Labs will render the final version of your video. After rendering is complete, click download. And that's it. Your captioned video will be saved to your computer. As you can see, the results look really impressive. The highlighted words match the speech very accurately, and the captions look clean and professional. In many cases, video editors used to spend hours creating these kind of captions manually, but now you can create them in minutes using AI. So that's how you can create professional animated captions for your videos using 11 Labs. Now tell me in the comments which caption style did you like the most. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.